We will be transforming data using query editor. So this is the file. Here is the sheet for the stock sheet, right? And we will be working on this file. So let's get started how we should do this. So this is the file. I will click on the transform data. So here we already have these steps where promote headers, change type, everything is there as it is mentioned here. So let's check what we need to do. We need to apply the filter on the following columns: last order date less than 1/1/2024, right? So I will go here and I will click on last order and then date filter before. I will click on this table and we will click on 1/1/2024, right? So yes, now we got our table. So it's showing that last order date less than 1/1/2024, stocks not equal to 0, right? So I will click on the stock. So right now you can see here we have a 0 here. I will click on here and number does not equal to 0. Okay. So two steps are done, and remove any row where the instruction value is empty. So instruction, here we have one null value. So text filter, and I'll just click on this, unclick on this null, and this is also filter. And then rename the applied step with appropriate name, replace value. So this thing we can work on, uh, like the changing of the names. And then we need to work on the use the split column function. No, remove the GBV element from the price column, right? It's saying that we need to remove this GPP from the price, fixed decimal. So from this column, we will be separating by using delimiter as a space only, and I will click OK. So we got the price 1 and price 2. So this is the actual price, and this is, I can write it as currency, right? And then what we need to do, we need to use the split column part number, right? So we have this column where there is this GB, then part number. So I will add the delimiter also here, this, and I will click on OK. So now we got part number 1, part number 2. So I can name it as country, and then this could be reference, right? So till here we are okay. Then it's saying that remove the instruction column as we no longer need it. So I will click here and remove this column. Then add a new column named stock value. So I will go and click on here, add column, custom column, and I will rename it as stock value, right? And then what we need to do, stock into price, right? So stock multiply by price, and I will click OK. So right now it's giving us error because this is in, I will put this as the whole number, not the whole number but the currency, right? So we can remove first this. What I can do, I can just replace this euro, that we have, click on this and replace values and euros with nothing, right? So when we click on this, and I will click it as the whole number, right? And then we will get the values, stock values as the whole number. So right now, it's why it's not giving us stock price one, right? Is this the column, or I can add this here? Mm-hmm. Then we have the stocks, and then we have the prices as whole number. And then if I click on add custom and then stock price, what was the name for this? Stock value. Stock into prices. I will just click here and insert and then put into, and then the price one, insert. Okay. So yeah, you can see that I'm getting values. Now what we will do, we will merge the supplier, manufacturer and reference, right? We will name it as order reference. So I will click on supplier, manufacturer first, the supplier, then manufacturer, and then order reference. Mm, and then the reference, this one, right? I will click on these and merge columns. Separator I will use as this one, right? And I will click OK. So the column is now merged, and here we have the merged column, right? For each of these order reference. So our list is showing like this, and it is showing like this. So I will just click on close and apply. It will make all the changes and then will give us a sheet, right? And then let's check if we are getting accurate values as it is here or not. So I will add one stacked column chart like this, and x-axis we can put the suppliers, and y-axis, what is the supplier? We supplier as in the country, right? Oh, this one, merged one, right? So let's take the supplier in the x-axis, and then we can take the uh, stock values in the y-axis, right? Okay, now this is how the chart is looking like, and then we can add the countries in the legends. So yeah, so after adding the country, we are having this. This is like in the euros. So yes, we are getting accurate values. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.